In this video, I'm going to show you how to use conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is a way to basically format your text based on certain conditions. It's pretty self-explanatory, right? So how do we use it? A great way to use it is kind of just like our code system to see, to really quickly get at a glance what is, separate data and make things more visually appealing. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to try to start from the top of this row. I'm going to hold Shift and Command on my Mac and hit the down arrow and keep hitting the down arrow until I get all the way to the bottom of my sheet. Scroll back up. So I have that entire section highlighted. And then I'm going to go to Format, and I'm going to go to Conditional Formatting. Now that I have this range selected, I'm going to go to Format Cell. Our format rules is if text contains the answer yes, then I want it to show up in green. Then I'm going to do the same thing, but if text contains no, then I will have it show up in red. So now, really quickly at a glance, I can see, okay, yes or no, kind of get a good understanding of how many yeses versus nos I have, and really, just understand what that looks like quickly. So that's one way we use it. There's a lot of different ways you can use it based on how much, how much something is greater versus another.